Welcome back. This is Chili Davis, and I'm back to do another video. I want to welcome back all my subscribers and welcome to my new viewers. Thank you for taking the time to stop by the channel. If you're new, please click the subscribe button because we also have great content each and every day. So I want to thank you for taking the time. This evening, we're going to talk about my top stocks of the day. I want to go over a few of my Robinhood and my other account, but we're just going to show you the market, how well it performed in my portfolio, okay? So today's top stock, or one of them, was AMZN, otherwise known as Amazon. Amazon was up 3.20% on the day. Let's see here. Next ticker symbol we have is Uber. Uber Technologies was up 2.35% on the day. Also, we had UPST, otherwise known as Upstart Holdings, was up 2.76% on the day. Let's see here. Ticker symbol TGT, or Target, was up 1.50 on the day. Surprisingly, Affirm Holdings, AFRM, Affirm Holdings was down 0.98%. I hope everybody picked up some shares. I did. And TSLA, otherwise known as Tesla, was up 3.79% on the day. So those were my top stocks in my Robinhood. And we had quite a bit of movement today. CNBC 5 hours ago, Jack Dorsey says Square may build a Bitcoin mining system, adding to the Bitcoin price surge. So if anybody doesn't know, Bitcoin today hit $61,000, a high. And also, since China is cracking down on Bitcoin mining or anything related in Bitcoin, the United States is starting to become the #1 place for Bitcoin mining. Now, some of those places are regional. New York, Texas, I think Tennessee and Florida are some of the new hotbeds for Bitcoin mining. But again, Jack Dorsey, the owner of Square, says that they will start doing Bitcoin mining. Some daily movers here. Jasper Therapeutics was up 26%, and PAM Transport was up 20%. So those are some great stocks. Also, bank stocks didn't rally on third quarter earnings, but what investors want to see now. So this is Bank of America, which I do own, and Citibank were up today, both up over 2%. So again, Tesla earnings will be coming up here in about a week. Tesla will probably beat earning estimates. Why the stock might not move. Okay, so that's an article on Barron's. On Reuters, Apple worker says she was fired after leading movement against harassment. Wow, interesting. All right. And then Wall Street Journal says Bank of America, Netflix, and Moderna are stocks that define this week. So we do know Netflix is up over the last month or so. They have a hot movie called The Squid Movie. Check it out on Netflix. I also own Netflix as well. And in fact, Netflix reports next week, so keep your eye on them. Okay, so those are my top stocks and discussion going on in my Robinhood. Let me show you on my other account how well we're doing today. I think it's the same stocks that are up in my other account. JENGQ, or Just in Energy Group, was up 31%. FCL, or Fuel Cell Energy, was up 8.59%. GBTC, or Grayscale Bitcoin Trust, was up 5.57%. Now remember, we said Bitcoin hit $61,000 today, a new high. So that follows that the Bitcoin Trust Fund is up as well. GAN, or GAN Limited, was up 5.12%. FCX, or Freeport McMoRan, was up 4.93%. Now this is a copper mining company. So just as oil has seen a surge in the last month, Copper is becoming in demand as well. Ticker symbol NIO or NEO. The NEO electric car maker was up 4.41%, touching $37 per share. And right behind that, Tesla, TSLA, was up 3.75%. So those are my top stocks in this account. It was a great day. There was a lot of green. There's quite a few opportunities. I'm going to just share with you 3 opportunities you could have bought on weakness today really quickly. Okay. Stock that I would have taken advantage of was TWLO. The cloud software company was down 1.16%. IIPR, or Innovative Properties, which basically farm and house marijuana growing operations. They were down 1.57%. Some other good ones, CAKE, or Cheesecake Factory, was down 2.69%. Let's see what else is down. That was just so much green today. BJ, or BJ Wholesale, was down 1%. And one more, last one, CCI, or Crown Castle International. They do cell phone towers. They were down 1.42%. So you could have bought into those on weakness. Also, Crown Castle, they do pay a dividend. So that's another reason why you could buy Crown Castle. And now we're going to switch to my largest gainer today as far as cash. Cash gainer today. Really not surprised. Tesla will be doing earnings in about a week. So we'll take a look. And TSLA was my top gainer today at $521. And then second place was Upstart Holdings, over $25. And then third place was GBTC, Grayscale Bitcoin Trust, was up as well. And then if we're going to just take a look back over the last week, Affirm Holdings was up slightly, 3.40%, but they were up as much as 6 or 7% as well. They did dip toward the end. They had hit the 150. Actually, they hit 153 earlier this week, and then they came back down. But just over the last month, Affirm Holdings is up over 24%. So if you catch this back down in the hundreds, about 110, that would be a good spot. But again, the 52-week high is 153. Okay. The next ticker symbol we saw huge gains in this week was Tesla. Tesla was up over 6.99%. And I would say over the month, they were up a little bit too more. Over the month, Tesla was up 11.37%. So that looks good going into earnings. And the last stock, just talking about briefly, we just talked about Upstart Holdings. Over the last 5 days was up over 25%. I was really trying to buy more at 300, but I actually bought some at 350. I could not catch a break, but Upstart Holdings, again, they're doing wonderful. They are the AI platform lending company. They are run by an ex-Googler, so they know about data and understanding data. Upstart Holdings is also doing software related to automobile lending, and there's rumor that they will do mortgage loans. So that's Upstart Holdings. So there's one of my top stocks of the week. Upstart Holdings up over 25%. So again, I want to thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. Please like or share, and also leave your comments below. And we do have free shares from RobinHood if you sign up. I have the link. Thank you and have a great night.